Welcome back to another vlog.
We're going to fireworks.
Yeah.
Yeah, today is Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to you guys. If you do not live in Canada, it's still Happy Canada's Day to you guys.
Happy birthday, Canada's Day.
Say Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
Okay, so we're just getting ready to go down to pet the donkeys, the horses, the cows. They don't have cows, but I don't know. What do you think they have cows?
Or chickens.
Canada knows, eh? We're gonna see goats.
Or tigers.
Tigers? They're not gonna have tigers down there. No? Do they have chickens? Only Crystal knows.
I don't know what they have there.
Crystal, what do they have? You know what they have.
No, I don't. I don't know what they have. Yeah, it's Canada Day.
Selena, are you gonna go up on the stage? We have a stage. Imagine if Selena jumped up there and started dancing, and Kiana. They did a collab. You want to dance up there? Who wants to see fireworks? Me! Who's ready to go? Today, Crystal did the intro. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked Crystal doing the intro. Crystal and the baby. Was it you or the baby?
The baby.
What?
My belly too.
What? In your belly too? You want your belly tickled? Who? Okay, we gotta go.
You ready to go?
I just thought I would mention that because Crystal has never begun it by herself.
Doggy eats grass.
First time.
First time. Are you gonna ever do it again?
Yes.
Here we go. We're entering the outside.
It's a bumblebee.
No, yeah, it's a fly. Come on.
You ready? Everybody's excited. Look at Trent go.
Try to go to the van and wait for me.
Trent was going like 100 miles a minute.
So hopefully he doesn't. Good job.
He could probably make it there running than we would in the van.
No.
You don't think so?
Trent, come here.
Why not? What do you think?
Nice pal.
Look at him go.
Are you about to lose your license or has your car been seized?
Good job,
You've been
buddy.
charged with a D-
We had to stop off at Tim Hortons to get Crystal's coffee before we hit.
The way pig's there.
Do we always stop off at Tim's, Trent?
Yeah.
Why? Who loves Tim Hortons the most?
I do. I like
You guys like coffee?
Yeah, I like
No, I mean out of mom and dad. Which one do you think likes Tim Hortons more?
Mommy.
Trent says him.
Mommy
Kiana
likes
knows.
bagels.
Yes, I do.
What Crystal loves since she's became pregnant, probably before she was even pregnant. She liked a plain bagel with plain cream cheese and butter.
Yeah, because the butter makes it not as dry.
What? We're just waiting for this guy here, and then we're gonna order our coffees.
Guess what I'm getting? A bagel.
Yeah, she's getting her plain bagel today.
Hi, my name is Cheryl. How may I help you?
Yes, could I please get 2 large double doubles
Yes?
and a plain bagel toasted with plain cream cheese and butter?
Alrighty, is there anything else?
Nope.
Alrighty, dear, that's 656. We'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we just made it here. It's all the way over there, right?
Yeah, I know. We're gonna try and find animals.
Are you guys holding hands?
Yeah.
What kind of animal do you want to see here?
I want to see a pig.
A pig? I thought you would have said like a tiger or something. No, a pig?
Trent said a tiger.
What's up, buddy? Check out his iPod case. This kid is jamming. Are you jamming, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we made it here, Crystal. Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah.
We made it here, so right now we're working our way this way to go see.
So we made it.
What's up, buddy? We're gonna work our way there and see if we can find animals. I'm not even sure if there is
There, I think.
any animals. Okay, yeah, they're right here. Let's zoom in. Right now I'm getting a soaked feet. Kiana, look at your dad's wearing sandals and not shoes. If it rains, make sure you wear shoes. Trent, buddy, look at the donkeys, buddy.
Don't touch it. How much? Okay, you want
But are you gonna feed them?
Yeah.
He wants to feed them. Oh, you got one over here? Here, let's get in. Oh, hey, buddy.
Where's it go?
Hey, look.
Oh, you looking for money, buddy?
Yeah.
Hannah's gonna go get some cheese.
What do you think?
Look, they're cute. Look,
Crystal.
Look, there's ducks over there.
I think Crystal is amazed by them. Look at this goat.
Let's go see this one over
Crystal, look at this. He's passed right out. Trent, are you trying to feed him?
Yeah.
Feed it to him, Selena. Yummy. Thank you, Selena. Is he cute?
You can't reach.
Ah.
Try it. Here you go. You want to feed him?
Kiana, are you feeding him out of the cup?
Yeah.
Excuse me? I don't even know what he's called, do you? I have no clue.
Good. I like this one right here.
Goat?
Want to pet him?
Trent, do you wish you could have the whole machine, buddy? Yeah?
You dropped it. Pick it up. Look, pick up the food. I dropped it.
Oh no, you dropped it all, buddy.
Pick it up.
Well, look, he's climbing right through.
Andrina, here, you want to feed him?
Look at this. Look at this guy, Trent. Let's feed him.
Look at this
Ready? Oh!
Hey.
You gonna feed him?
Crystal, did you feed any?
Yeah, look at this one.
Ow.
You gonna feed him? Come over here and feed him.
He's biting his finger.
What? Are you bleeding, buddy? Let me see your finger. I think his finger's okay.
Look.
That's true.
You gonna give
I
him
think
one?
he likes you, Crystal. Thank you very much. High five. High five. High five. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Happy Canada Day, eh? Thank you. You coming, guys?
Okay, hold each other.
I didn't even say it.
What?
Oh,
What?
I lost you.
Oh my gosh, that was funny. Canada, they didn't even know I was filming, eh?
Yeah, they didn't know I was filming either.
But they found out after I did the high five, I think. Oh, we better not leave them behind here.
Did you see those cute little things?
Yeah. Kiana, we're gonna get ran over. Hey! Was that the conductor? Kiana, do a dance for us, buddy. Come on, Kiana. Crystal, do a dance. Kiana's like, screw that. He definitely does not want to dance. He doesn't give a crap. Right, buddy? Crystal actually likes this song, guys. There goes the ducks. There's me and Crystal. I don't know how me and Crystal made it in here, but we did.
Yeah, I know.
Trent, what did you think of the ducks, buddy? Kiana, what did you think of the ducks?
Trent, look, come say bye. Oh, sorry.
Come over here, Trent.
Look, Trent. Look at this one.
Let's see if he'll put it.
No. Come say, look, pet him. Pet him before we come.
Hey, buddy. Look at this guy with his curly hair. Crystal, doesn't that look like me when I grow my hair out? Okay, so we just got done there. The kids had a blast. Did you have fun petting them?
Come back. Let Audrina go in first.
What was your favorite animal out of all of them, Selena?
A donkey.
What? A donkey?
Yeah.
I guess. Are you gonna have a pet donkey when you're older?
Yeah.
What about you, Trent? I'm not. I don't think he knows exactly what he wants.
Wait.
What about you, Kiana? What do you want?
I wonder.
What? The animals?
What animal do you want, Mr. What's this say on the back of your case?
Wait, I was
Was it
jamming.
cute?
He's
I
jamming.
want to go.
He's
Wait,
jamming.
I wanna
High five,
go.
buddy.
Wait,
Whenever you're drumming. Oh my god, look at this video that he got of the donkey. What, you want a goat too?
Yeah.
Okay, climb up in the seat, Mr. Goat Trent.
It's because it rained, so everything was muddy.
Yeah, Crystal
Look at my.
Crystal brought the rain.
I did not.
She asked for it. I heard her this morning.
Pants.
This morning she asked for it. Crystal loves rain.
No, I don't.
I see her go out every time it rains and she plays in it.
I would though, but look at my pants.
But she plays with it, plays in the rain with her underwear.
What?
I'm just joking.
Yeah, we're gonna change your clothes. Don't touch, yeah.
What about my
Hey.
dirty feet?
Look at Charlie's pants.
Oh, I know. Hello. What's up? I'm filming you.
Hey, Dad.
Hey. Right now I'm editing this video.
Emma's in that.
That's actually part of this video. Look at that.
I like that video. It's Canada Day.
What? What day is it today then?
4.
4? No, it's 1.
No.
Look at this guy. You guys just seen this in this actual video.
I got that film too.
Did you?
Canada is here. Today's Canada Day.
Selena, go over there and do a Canada Day dance. Canada Day. Canada Day. Trent, go over there too. Do the Canada Day dance. Woohoo! Look, whoa! Oh my god, she's part of the French. Guys, she's not only my video editor, but she's also my repair girl.
Happy Canada Day.
What else do you have to say?
Thank you for your views.
What?
Yeah.
What else?
And you're the best YouTubers ever in the world.
Good. Oh, you're sweet
I
girl.
want to do it. And you're nice.
Do you like YouTube, Selena?
Yeah.
What, Trent?
Canada Day.
Say hi to YouTube, buddy.
Have YouTube.
Okay, so we're just getting prepared for the fireworks. We got all kinds of glow sticks. We have all kinds of junk food. Because you gotta have junk food with fireworks. Trent, do you love glow sticks?
Yeah.
That one.
Are you gonna dance? Look at the size of these. Oh my gosh.
That one's yours.
Lasts for hours. Whose is this one? Mine?
The necklaces.
I get one necklace? Woohoo! You want a necklace? Okay, so we're just cracking them. I got these 4 blue ones. Here we go. Oh no! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, what do you got? A butterfly?
Give me your,
Oh, Kiana, what is that? A devil
give
pork?
me your hand.
What's in mine?
Whoa! Kiana's got a green one. Trent's got a yellow one. Crystal's in the process of breaking them right now, but I think she hit a dud. Oh no, is it?
I don't know why. Some of them are.
Some of them don't light up properly. Some of them are duds, but yeah, that one does look cool. The light does not do it justice, but
Not yet. Turn off the light.
whenever we get them all done, we're gonna turn off the light and check it.
Ready?
Okay, so here we go. We're all lit up. Selena, Trent, Kiana. Kiana's wand is hiding in the bag though. And Sean the YouTuber only has one.
Oh, you drop it. Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, buddy.
I have 4.
No,
4?
around your neck, Kiana.
1, 2,
Ah, Kiana!
Here's another one.
It's a glow sword. Wow, that looks so cool on the camera. Look at this. It looks. Woo!
Hello.
Trent, what is that?
It's a glow sticks.
It's a glow stick.
Yeah.
I almost thought you said a ghost stick.
No glow stick.
Glow stick?
Glow sticks.
Are glow sticks fun, Trent?
Yeah. Open stick.
Crystal, I might have got you with my sword. Selena's ended up exploding.
I know.
So Crystal's trying to set her up one so she can get her wand back.
You're gonna have to do it though.
I don't.
Are you excited for the fireworks, girl?
Yeah.
Woo!
So we're on our way to the fireworks.
What's my moon? Look at my moon.
Happy Canada Day! Mom, happy Canada Day! Happy Canada Day, guys! They're probably hard to see, but happy Canada Day! Woo! Love you, beautiful mom.
Love you.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
We're almost there. We still got a bit to walk. As you can see, it's all the way down there, guys. But we'll film when we get there. Yeah, I know, right?
The guy's calling me.
Really? Watch We'd have to back up.
Don't shoot it off at once.
Yeah, I know. If they go now, because it's probably the end of it.
No, they're doing that these explainers.
Oh, maybe. See, now they are.
What? Are you scared? Don't be scared.
You're in the feed. You don't have to be scared. He's protecting you. Well, that was nice, eh?
It's okay to work with this.
So we just got home from the fireworks. How was it? How was it? I mean,
Good.
did you like them?
And we gotta see a farm. And we saw some donkey.
Fireworks are awesome when you're a kid. They're even awesome when you're an adult. Did you know that? You did know that?
And you were saying, oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada. Adrina, how was the fireworks? We can't really see you, but a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Were they? Did they scare you a little? Oh my gosh! A toy almost hit me. Are you laughing? Hey, are you laughing at me because your toy almost got me? The toy. Oh,
That was my toy.
was it? Did you make your toy do that?
Yeah.
Love you. Have a good night, girl. High five. Until next year when you have more fireworks. Are you excited for them? Love you, baby girl. Daddy loves you. Love you, girl. Daddy loves you. Have a good night, okay? Sucking on your little thummy. Have a good night. So, Kiana, what did you think of the fireworks?
Cool.
Did you enjoy them, buddy?
Yeah.
Which ones were your favorite ones?
You know how the yellow one exploded?
It whistles?
No, it's like multiple ones.
Yes. Why, those are, oh, the different colors?
Oh no, all yellow.
For me, I like the ones, they're like a whitish yellow and they go. We can never see Trent except for on the last vlog when we had the cell phone. We can kind of see on this angle. Poke your head out in the light, Trent. There he is. It looks like half a Trent face. There we go, we can see you. Are you tired, buddy?
No.
Yeah, you're right. He's half fallen asleep, but he's not tired. Did you know that? High five, buddy. Love you.
Love you.
Have a good night. Love you, Trent. Love you.
And see the console.
Love you. Have a good. So the kids are in bed. Now it's just me and Crystal.
Yay.
It's party time.
It's
party time. No, we missed them, but they were so pooped after the fireworks.
Yeah, because we got home late, guys. We got home at after 11. So they were so tired.
Yeah, because right now it is 11:15.
So then it must have been 11 when we got
Yeah.
home.
And yes, Sean the YouTuber is old school. He uses a watch. But he still does have a phone too. Well, it's over there, but...
Kids are in bed. It's relax time.
Yeah, Crystal's gonna be loading some Mob Wives, I think it's called.
No, I got a couple different shows I watch, guys. But I'm gonna eat and then watch my shows. Because I'm
Sounds very
still
fun.
hungry after all those treats.
And Sean the YouTuber, he's gonna finish editing this video
For you guys.
for you guys. Thanks for coming along with us today, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Lots of love from Sean the YouTuber. Peace.
Love you guys.